In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change photographic style on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Camera. Then, once you get into camera settings, scroll down, and that's where you can easily find photographic styles. If we get into it, we'll be able to select the default photographic style for our camera. Right here, we can check the photo example on which we can compare the difference between different styles here, and also down below we can check the description of what each style actually is. For example, warm photographic style adds golden undertones to create a warm look. To use any of these styles, just tap at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.